This video compares 3 solar water heating options: solar PV with an instant geyser and RCCB, the evacuated tube collector solar water heater, and the flat plate collector solar water heater. First, let's look at the solar PV and instant geyser system. Solar PV panels generate electricity, which powers an instant electric geyser for on-demand hot water. The RCCB provides electrical safety, and excess solar power can be used for other appliances. This slide further illustrates how the solar PV, instant geyser, and RCCB system integrates to provide hot water and safety protection while allowing for excess solar energy utilization. The solar PV system offers flexibility, instant hot water, and grid tie capability. It allows for modular expansion, saves space by not requiring water storage, and provides safety through RCCB protection. Disadvantages include higher initial costs due to multiple components and weather dependency, leading to no hot water on cloudy days without backup. There are also energy conversion losses and more electronic components to maintain. Next, the evacuated tube collector solar water heater. It works by having vacuum-insulated glass tubes absorb solar radiation. Heat transfer fluid or water circulates through the tubes, and hot water is stored in an insulated tank. An electric backup heater is used for cloudy days. Advantages include high efficiency, excellent cold climate performance, and direct thermal conversion without electricity conversion losses. This system has a long lifespan, requires low maintenance, and provides reliable 24/7 hot water due to its storage tank. Individual tube replacement is also possible. Disadvantages include a higher upfront cost than flat plate systems and greater space requirements for tubes and the tank. The glass tubes are fragile, requiring periodic cleaning for maintenance access. Performance is also subject to seasonal variation, significantly reducing in winter. Finally, the flat plate collector solar water heater. This simple, proven technology uses a flat glazed panel with a black absorber plate. Water circulates through copper tubes in the absorber and is then stored in an insulated tank. Advantages of the flat plate collector include a lower initial cost and a simple, reliable design. It's easy to maintain, durable, and space efficient. It offers good performance with 50 to 70% efficiency in sunny climates. Disadvantages include being climate sensitive with poor performance in cold or cloudy weather, leading to higher thermal losses compared to evacuated tubes. Seasonal performance is significantly reduced in winter, and proper orientation and tilt are critical. Stagnation issues can cause overheating in summer, if not used. Comparing lifespans is a key factor. Solar PV panels have the longest life expectancy, offering 20 to 25 years with an inverter replacement. Thermal systems generally have a shorter overall life expectancy of 10 to 15 years, often requiring regular component replacements. Solar PV and geyser systems offer modular replacement, which protects longevity. PV panels last over 25 years. If the geyser or inverter fails, only that specific component needs replacing, not the entire system. Thermal system failures often require complete system replacement, which can be costly. Advantage 2 for solar PV and geyser is the absence of corrosion or scaling issues, which plague evacuated tube and flat plate systems. Thermal systems suffer from tank corrosion, scaling, glycol degradation, and pump failures. PV and geyser systems only contain electrical components, avoiding water quality concerns. Finally, solar PV offers technology, protection. PV technology continually improves, allowing for the addition of more efficient panels later. You can even upgrade to a heat pump geyser for triple the efficiency, unlike mature thermal solar technology, which sees little improvement. Solar PV and geyser systems win on longevity, partly due to superior warranties. PV panels offer a 25-year performance warranty. Evacuated tube and flat plate collector systems typically have 5 to 10-year warranties on the main collector and 5 to 7 years on the tank or storage. While the geyser has a shorter life of 8 to 12 years compared to 15 to 20 years for evacuated tubes, the cost difference is significant. A geyser replacement is 5,000 to 12,000 rupees, whereas a complete evacuated tube system reinstall costs 25,000 to 45,000 rupees. Choose solar PV plus geyser if you plan to stay in your home for 10 or more years, want a low maintenance system, have poor water quality, or desire future proofing. It also suits those who are okay with a higher initial investment for a longer total life. Opt for the evacuated tube collector or flat plate system if you plan to move within 5 to 7 years, have a tight immediate budget, have reliable maintenance services available, or have excellent water quality. To maximize the 25-year life of your PV system, choose Tier 1 panels with a 25-year warranty and a hybrid inverter with a 10-year warranty. Use a stainless steel geyser with a low watt density element and consider a heat pump geyser for greater efficiency. Ensure proper protection with an RCCB, surge protection, and earthing. Maintenance involves annual panel cleaning, biannual electrical checks, and geyser or coil replacement every 3 to 5 years. Solar PV plus geyser is the smart choice for minimal hassle, as thermal systems will likely need complete replacement in 10 to 15 years. A 3 kilowatt solar system with a heat pump geyser is recommended for the longest life, highest efficiency, and whole home power. The 25-year total cost of ownership analysis favors the solar PV and geyser system due to its long component lifespans and lower overall replacement costs compared to the total system replacement often needed for thermal systems. The final verdict on longevity is that solar PV plus geyser is superior for maximum system life and lowest long-term cost, despite the geyser's shorter lifespan. This is because PV panels are the longest-lasting solar component. Geyser replacement is cheap and easy, and you gain whole home electricity benefits. The system is modular and not affected by water quality issues. In conclusion, if the higher upfront cost is manageable, Solar PV plus geyser offers a reliable 20-plus year system with minimal hassle, outperforming thermal systems in long-term efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content.